name is Alison and I'm from Camden Family Learning, and today we're going to have a lot of fun with our story. Today our story is all about Pete the cat. Where's Pete? I think he's a bit shy. Here he is. Hi everyone. Say hello to Pete. Hi. Today's story is called Pete the cat rocking in my school shoes. Now recently, if you were with me on one of my sessions, we made a guitar, and I want you to go and get your guitar because we're going to make some music. Go and get your guitar. I've got mine here. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go and find it. Have you got your guitar? We're going to do a bit of strumming. Are you ready?
I'm rocking
in my school shoes. I'm rocking in my school shoes. I'm rocking in my school shoes. You were really good. I could see you with your guitars. You were fantastic. Okay, let's get on with the story. And here's Pete. He's listening too today. Pete the cat rocking in my school shoes. Here comes Pete strolling down the street, rocking red shoes on his 4 furry feet. Pete is going to school and he's singing this song. Are you ready? I'm rocking in my school shoes. I'm rocking in my school shoes. Look, he's got his school shoes on. There he is with his red school shoes. I think you might have got new school shoes ready to start school. Pete is sitting at his desk when his teacher says, "Come on, Pete, down that hall to a room with books on every wall." Where do you think he's gone? Where is Pete going? The library. Pete has never been to the library before. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He finds his favourite book and sings his song. Are you ready? I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. There he is reading in his school shoes with his school shoes on. Check out Pete. He's ready to eat in a big noisy room with tables and seats. Where is Pete? Where do you think he is? If he's eating his lunch. Let's see. He's in the lunch hall. He's in the lunchroom. It can be loud and busy in the lunchroom. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He sits down with his friends and sings his song. Are you ready? I'm eating in my school shoes. I'm eating in my school shoes. And there he is eating with his school shoes on. He's eating his lunch. He's got a juicy apple here. He's had some milk and crackers and a fish sandwich. Pete and his friends are playing outside on a green grassy field with swings and tall slides. Where is Pete? Where could he be? Where there's a slide and swings. The playground. Kids are running in every direction. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He slides and swings and sings his song. Are you ready to sing? I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes. And there he is. Look, he's got his red school shoes on and he's swinging on the swing. All day long, Pete sings his song. I'm swinging in my school shoes. I'm painting in my school shoes. I'm acting in my school shoes. I'm writing in my school shoes. These are all the things that he's doing at school today. He's been playing some music, doing a painting, doing some adding up, and doing some special writing, maybe writing his name. When school is finished, Pete rides on the bus home. There he is, he's on the school bus going home. Pete's mum asks him, "What did you do today at school, Pete?" And Pete says, what do you think he says? "I'm rocking in my school shoes. I'm singing in my school shoes." And what will he do again tomorrow? What do you think he's going to do? He's going to school. And there he is with his shoes. He's rocking in his school shoes. He's rocking in his school shoes. And there he is going to school the following day on the school bus to have so much fun at school. And here he is, our lovely Pete. Wave goodbye because that's the end of the story. I hope you're going to join me again for more stories. Bye everyone. Bye.
I'm rocking in my school shoes. I'm rocking in my school shoes. I'm rocking in my school shoes.